Hello everyone. In this episode of the Reviews Vids, we are looking at the top 5 best hair treatment oils this year. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I try to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information with the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for the latest reviews. Okay, so let's get started. At number 5. Extra Virgin 100% Pure Moroccan Oil. Nourish and strengthen your hair by using extra virgin 100% pure Moroccan oil, USDA certified organic and cruelty-free. This oil is a proven beauty solution for skincare, hair care, and nail care. The pure argan oil is abundant in naturally occurring fatty acids, vitamin E and antioxidants that hydrates undernourished skin, diminishes and eliminates stretch marks and repairs cracked heels. Cold-pressed, unfiltered, and non-deodorized, this oil is used as a facial moisturizer, anti-inflammatory to reduce redness, soothe acne, and other skin ailments. This oil is proven to smooth and hydrate hair, nourish dry hair, fade fine lines, wrinkles and scars, strengthen nails, and more. With full body benefits from head to toe, this oil is safe for use directly on your skin, along with your daily moisturizer, or as an overnight hair treatment. At number 4. Jojoba Oil. Kate Blanc's jojoba oil is a wonderful natural moisturizer for your face, skin, hair, and nails that gives you a radiant youthful look. This completely unrefined and pure oil keeps your face and body moisturized and reduces blemishes, acne, pimples, scars, rosacea, eczema, psoriasis, chapped skin, and fine lines without leaving your skin dry. Pure jojoba oil is great organic hair oil and acts as an oil-free moisturizer to repair hair. The cold-pressed and pure jojoba oil is easily absorbed into the skin without leaving an oily residue, and helps to fight against inflammation that allows your skin to retain moisture for a lasting glow. As a lip balm and sunburn removal. USDA certified and hexane-free Kate Blanc's jojoba oil for customer satisfaction offers a full refund within 365 days. At number 3. Voila Ve Organic Oil. Voila Ve hydrates your skin naturally and absorbs easily, making it nature's perfect moisturizer. The antioxidants in argan oil work to combat premature aging caused by stress, pollution, cigarette smoke, and sun damage. This unadulterated, therapeutic-grade and synthetic chemicals-free oil restores skin's elasticity, reduces the appearance of sunspots, and projects a radiant, youthful glow. Grow longer and thicker hair in a quick and natural way by using unrefined with no fillers and additives and argan oil. It has various organic supplements and is rich in vitamin E, which can be essential to healthy skin and hair. This highly rated Moroccan oil, which is cold-pressed oil, can also be used as beard oil, nail oil, lips oil. It can be used on lips to improve dryness. At number 2. Moroccan Oil Treatment. Moroccan Oil Treatment is a multitasking hair treatment that is infused with argan oil and shine-boosting vitamins. This nourishing multitasker helps detangle, control frizz and flyaways, and even speed up blow-drying time. Fragranced with the signature Moroccan oil scent as an exotic blend of spicy amber aromas and sweet floral notes. This oil is rich in antioxidant argan oil and linseed flax seed extract. The iconic hair treatment instantly nourishes and helps strengthen hair, leaving it shinier and healthier looking with each use. Its proprietary formula detangles hair and absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue. The foundation for all hairstyling, it creates long-lasting smoothness, increases manageability and speeds up blow-drying time. This oil is also available in light of fine or light-colored hair. Fragranced with the signature Moroccan oil scent, an exotic blend of spicy amber aromas and sweet floral notes. At number 1. Sky Organic Castor Oil. The cold-pressed organic castor oil without heat or chemical substances like hexane retains all the healing properties without any harmful additives or ingredients. With its natural, healing properties, the Sky Organics castor oil will give you incredible results, as your hair and skin will immediately absorb its nutrients and thus giving you the best transformation in time. 100% vegan and cruelty-free castor oil, 16 ounces, is produced with the highest quality standards, sourced directly from organic artisanal farmers in India. Its contained vitamins and fatty acids promote better hair growth and help nourish and hydrate the skin. By using chemical-free substances, castor oil is perfect for all skin and hair types and won't cause any allergies and irritations when used.